Guys, I'm in the city today. Okay, now I understand. I was just talking to you guys, and then this guy came up to my window and he was telling me to move, and I didn't know why. I was like, what? Okay, now I see why. Because I guess he has that big truck that just came up behind me and he wanted room for his truck. So that's fine. Does he want me? He probably wants me to move again, guys. Oh my god. I don't care. I was just worried though, because he was telling me to move up, and I was like, why? You know, I was like, why? But I don't care if I'll move up. But I just, you know, I was like, why? Like, is it, you know? Anyway, and now it started raining, guys. I hope it's not too dark for me to do a video, because I got all these packages here and I brought them with me because I was telling you guys before, I'm not sure if that got cut off or what, but I'm here in the city, and my husband had to go to a meeting, so sometimes when he goes to a meeting I'll just wait in the car, you know, because it saves money, you know, on parking. The parking is so much money in New York City, especially in this neighborhood where I'm at right now, Midtown. The parking could be like $50, $100 an hour. So anyway, I don't mind at all. You know, I actually love waiting in the car because it's nice and quiet, and you know, it's not a lot of hustle and bustle. And then I can, you know, go on my phone. I could like write you dolls back, because I've been so busy, guys. Like, my husband has me, like I say a lot of times, but he has me I help him with his business. So there's so much work to do, so I'm constantly working. But you know, I don't mind, because he doesn't have anybody else to help him, so of course I'm gonna help him, you know, but because he doesn't have anybody else that would help him or whatever. So it's really hard, guys. You know, to be, a lot of people I was gonna do a video, but I guess I'll do a video another day, but like, to be a business owner, like my husband's a business owner, and it's just him. People think he has this huge company and all these employees, and it's just, you know, him. And so I always try to help him as much as I can. But you know, I love my makeup too so much, so you know, I'm just like working constantly. But I don't mind, guys. I just wish I had more time to always write you guys back right away, because I feel bad. I don't want you guys to think that that you wrote and I didn't write. You know, I don't see it till like, it could be like the next day. Guys, do you see how dark it's getting? It's like the sky is actually turning black right now. I'm like, maybe this wasn't a good idea. Oh my god, I'm getting scared. Anyways, thank God you guys are here with me, because you guys help me relax. Like, even when I was traveling, I love coming to talk to you guys. It just relaxes me so much. Like, it gives me, you know, otherwise I have a lot of anxiety. I'll be really scared. I have like probably overactive imagination. Like, it's just raining, right? But me, I have anxiety, so I'm like, I'm getting so scared. But it's not a big deal, right? Anyway, let me show you guys really quickly. I got a whole bunch of packages here. I got this, I think this is from Rimmel, so I'm gonna open this. I got this package here. I'm not sure who this is from. And then I got this huge package here. Oh my god, wait till I show you guys. So here is this. I can't wait to show you. And guys, I feel so bad. Let me just go ahead and open this. But Alison had sent me so many amazing things in my P.O. box, and I made the video and it just came out so horrible. You couldn't see anything. The lighting was horrible. Hopefully this video comes out, because the way it's looking right now, I'm not really sure if you're gonna be able to see anything. But I'm gonna try to put some clips in from the video, because it was so bad. But I want to show you what she got me. She got me this beautiful necklace that says my name, Alegra. She also got me just, oh my god, so many amazing rum cakes and coffee cake. It smelled so amazing. She got me coffee, actually, from Jamaica. Oh my god, I've been drinking it. It's amazing. It's, she just got me so many nice things. I'm gonna just put clips in, because the video in itself came out so bad. And then, I'm not sure if she sent me this. Someone sent me a gold rose, and I was like, maybe she sent me that. I'm not sure. Oh, she sent me amethyst earrings. Oh my god, so beautiful. She had sent me a bunch of things, and I was away, so I didn't get the packages till like months later. So she didn't send them at once. She sent them like a little bit at a time. I wound up getting them all at once though, because I was away. So thank you so much, Allison. And also Makeup by Grace sent me an amazing gift set from Philosophy. I'm gonna put a picture into, oh my god, and wait till you see the Physicians Formula. Oh my god, so amazing, amazing, amazing. And she sent me the highlighter. Oh my god, so much. A beautiful bag. I'm gonna put a picture in. She also sent me I'm gonna try to show you guys that highlighter. That's the Physicians Formula highlighter. Oh my god, and I always wanted to try it. I never tried it, so thank you so much, Grace. I'll link her and Alison below. They both have Instagrams, and they're just such awesome girls. Grace also sent me a few things. I'm not remembering right now off the top of my head, but thank you so much. I know she sent me something else that I loved. She had sent me 2 samples, but they were, I just love them so much. They were just the most amazing samples. And Allison had sent me a necklace. I'm gonna put the clips in. But so anyway, so here is the package from Rimmel. So I can't wait to see what they sent. Oh my god! Scandal Eyes micro eyeliner. Oh my god. Is this, what is this? Black? Ultra fine felt tip eyeliner. Oh my god, I can't wait to use this. I'm obsessed with my Rimmel products. Can I tell you, dolls, I was wanting to do like a bit, people are looking at me like, I don't know if this is gonna work out, guys. I'm just gonna really quickly open a few things because I don't know if this is gonna work out, because it's getting so dark and it might be loud. Is it too loud for you guys with the rain? Oh my god, can I tell you, they sent me Scandal Eyes mascara. Oh my god, I'm wearing it today. It is the best. It's truly, seriously better than high end. I look at my expensive mascara that I bought from Sephora and I'm like, girl, you got gypped. Like, this Scandal Eyes from Rimmel is the most bomb mascara of life. It gives you so much volume and just lashes, tons and tons of lashes. I don't think you could see today. I have it on today. Like, you don't even need fake lashes when you wear it. Your lashes look, your natural lashes, and I don't have a lot of natural lashes. Your natural lashes come out like, what? Like, you'll feel like you don't even need fake lashes. So here is the Scandal Eyes. Oh, this is their liner. I would love to try this right now. It's so dark in here though, guys, right? Let's see what else they sent. Line and Define Rimmel London's eyeliners. Oh my god, I can't wait. See, it's gonna get too loud, guys, right? The rain is like really coming down. My husband is so funny too, because he told me, he was like, I was like, oh, I'm gonna get on. I actually was planning to go walk around while he was at his meeting. I was gonna park the car and maybe, you know, I was thinking about it because it looked like the most beautiful day ever. And he was like, no, it's gonna start raining. And I was like, no, because it was so beautiful out. I was like, no, it's not. No, I thought he was lying to me so he could save money. But no, he was right. It's raining. And I don't even know if you guys are gonna be able to hear me. I have no idea if you guys can hear me now, so I don't even know if I should open these things up. I'm gonna cry. Look at this, guys. They also sent a soft pencil, and I would love to use this right now. Let me go ahead. I'm gonna do this another day because I don't even know if you babes can hear me. But this is their eyeliner. Let me try this liner right now. I don't think I should open this package right now because I don't think you're even going to be able to hear what I'm, you know. And I got this. Oh! Guys, this rain is, I get scared of everything. It just looks, the sky has turned like actually black. So I'm just going to try the Rimmel. This is the soft liner. What do you guys think? I love eyeliner. Oh my god. And I saw Good the other day. Good asked me to do a video with no eyeliner. So I'm gonna try that next time for you, dolls. For you, Good. Oh, this smudges out really nice. I like how that smudges out. People are walking by looking at me like I'm crazy. I mean, they're running by in the rain. And they're looking at me like, anyway. I really like how this smudges out. Like sometimes you have to work on smudging it out, but this is just doing it on its own. Ooh, love that. Do you guys like it? I can't really see right. I don't know if you guys can see. It's so dark in here. At least, you know what? Sometimes I'm parked and like I didn't pay for parking. I don't think the meter maid is coming by today, you know what I mean? They're not gonna be giving me a ticket today. Because sometimes, you know, or sometimes it's like not, they say commercial vehicles only. You have to have a special commercial license. I don't have that. So sometimes they ask you to move. But I don't think anybody's gonna be asking me to move today, guys. It's like the cops are gonna be hiding, you know, inside. Or hide from the rain. I'm gonna just go through this another day because I don't even know if you guys can hear me right now. Unfortunately, this is really bad, guys. Are you guys, like, I don't want to say scared of the rain, but you know what it is? Because there's so much crazy weather. But I'll just let you guys go. I'll just pop in today. I'll come back tomorrow and we'll unbox those tomorrow.